Netcraft Brand Protection Online Training. What is Netcraft Brand Protection and how does it work? Netcraft Brand Protection Overview and how it works. What is Netcraft Brand Protection? Netcraft Brand Protection is a cybersecurity service that helps organizations detect, prevent, and mitigate online threats targeting their brand. It focuses on protecting businesses from phishing attacks, impersonation, domain abuse, and fraudulent activities that could harm their reputation or deceive customers. How does Netcraft Brand Protection work? Netcraft uses a combination of automated scanning, AI-driven analysis, and human expertise to identify and eliminate threats in real time. The key functionalities include threat detection and monitoring. Continuously scans the internet, including websites, social media, and the dark web, to identify phishing attacks, fake domains, and impersonation attempts. Uses machine learning and AI algorithms to detect suspicious activities. Automated takedown. Once a threat is identified, Netcraft works with hosting providers, registrars, and other authorities to quickly take down fraudulent websites, rogue mobile apps, and malicious domains. Phishing protection and mitigation. Blocks phishing sites in real time. Offers API integrations with security solutions to enhance phishing protection. Domain and brand monitoring. Identifies typo squatting, domain hijacking, and similar brand abuse attempts. Provides alerts when unauthorized domains or subdomains use the company's brand name. Social media and marketplace protection. Monitors social media platforms and online marketplaces for counterfeit goods, fake profiles, and unauthorized brand usage. Works on reporting and removing fraudulent content. Threat intelligence and reporting. Provides real-time dashboards and reports on brand-related cyber threats. Enables security teams to proactively prevent future attacks. Why use Netcraft Brand Protection? Proactive threat prevention stops attacks before they cause damage. Minimize brand damage, reduces customer deception and financial losses due to scams. Enhanced cybersecurity posture works alongside other security tools to provide a comprehensive defense. Quick response time ensures fast takedown of malicious content. How to detect and mitigate phishing attacks using Netcraft Brand Protection. Netcraft Brand Protection provides a comprehensive approach to detecting and mitigating phishing attacks targeting your brand. Here's how you can use it effectively. Detection of phishing attacks. Automated threat intelligence. Netcraft continuously scans the internet for domain names, URLs, and content that may be impersonating your brand. It leverages machine learning and heuristics to detect suspicious domains, subdomains, and websites. Phishing site takedown. When a potential phishing site is identified, Netcraft analyzes the hosting details, registrar information, and SSL certificates. The system automatically submits takedown requests to ISPs, hosting providers, and domain registrars. Monitoring for brand abuse. Netcraft tracks mentions of your brand in various online channels, including social media, dark web forums, and email phishing campaigns. Alerts and reports are generated for real-time visibility into ongoing threats. DNS and domain monitoring. Netcraft continuously monitors newly registered domains that contain brand-related keywords. This helps in early detection of lookalike domains, example mybr4nd.com instead of mybrand.com. Mitigation strategies. Phishing takedown services. Netcraft automatically initiates takedown procedures with registrars and hosting providers. It works with law enforcement and CERT teams to accelerate shutdowns. Blocking and blacklisting. Phishing sites identified by Netcraft are submitted to browser blacklists. Example, Google Safe Browsing, Microsoft Smart Screen. Users trying to access flagged sites receive warnings in supported browsers. Email protection. Netcraft integrates with email security solutions to identify and filter phishing emails before they reach users. It can analyze email headers and attachments for phishing indicators. Brand domain protection and preemptive registration. Organizations can register brand-related domains proactively to prevent abuse. Implement DMARC, SPF, and DKIM to prevent spoofing of legitimate domains. Security awareness and employee training. Use Netcraft's training tools to educate employees about phishing tactics. Conduct simulated phishing exercises to assess awareness. Integration with SIEM and threat intelligence platforms. Netcraft can feed phishing intelligence into SIEM solutions, example Splunk, IBM QRadar, for centralized monitoring. API integrations allow automated response mechanisms to block phishing threats. Understanding threat intelligence and data sources in Netcraft brand protection. Netcraft brand protection provides a comprehensive suite of threat intelligence and data sources to detect and mitigate digital brand abuse, phishing, and cyber threats. Understanding these components is crucial for effective brand protection and security monitoring. 1. Threat intelligence in Netcraft brand protection. Netcraft collects, analyzes, and disseminates threat intelligence to protect organizations from brand impersonation, phishing, and cyber fraud. Key aspects of its threat intelligence include phishing detection and takedown, uses automated and human intelligence to identify and remove phishing sites impersonating brands. Fraudulent website monitoring, detects fake websites that use a brand's logo, domain, or other assets for scams. Malware and credential theft protection, monitors malicious scripts, trojans, and credential stealing attacks targeting customers. Dark web and underground market intelligence tracks mentions of brand-related data leaks, stolen credentials, and fraud discussions. 2. Data sources in Netcraft brand protection. Netcraft gathers data from various sources to provide a holistic view of threats affecting a brand. DNS and hosting data monitors newly registered domains, subdomains, and hosting information to detect fraudulent websites. Email threat intelligence analyzes spam, phishing, and spoofed emails targeting a brand's customers. Search engine monitoring detects impersonation attempts in indexed web content. Social media and messaging platforms identifies brand abuse on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Mobile app stores scans Google Play, Apple App Store, and third-party marketplaces for fake or malicious apps. Dark web and threat actor forums, tracks credentials, discussions, and stolen brand-related assets. SSL certificates and certificate transparency logs detects unauthorized SSL certificates issued for domains similar to a brand. 3. Automated threat response. Netcraft automates several response mechanisms to mitigate threats, including takedown requests, rapid removal of malicious domains, apps, and content, blocking and filtering, integration with security providers to block threats at the network level, brand monitoring dashboards, real-time insights into ongoing threats and mitigation progress. 4 benefits of Netcraft brand protection. Proactive threat detection to prevent cyber fraud and brand abuse. Comprehensive data sources covering web, email, social media, and underground forums. Automated mitigation to quickly neutralize threats. Integration with security teams for streamlined incident response. Automating threat response with Netcraft brand protection tools. Netcraft's brand protection tools offer automated threat response capabilities that help organizations detect and mitigate cyber threats in real time. These tools are particularly useful for defending against phishing, impersonation, and fraud. Key features of automating threat response with Netcraft. Real-time threat detection. Uses advanced machine learning and threat intelligence to detect phishing, impersonation, and fraudulent websites. Monitors domains, social media, and dark web for brand abuse. Automated takedown. Sends immediate takedown requests to hosting providers, registrars, and ISPs. Reduces response time, preventing further damage. AI-driven phishing prevention. Analyzes URLs and content to identify fraudulent pages. Blocks malicious sites automatically using threat feeds. Integration with security tools. Works with SIEMs, threat intelligence platforms, and enterprise security tools. Supports API integration for automated workflows. Email fraud protection. Detects domain spoofing and unauthorized email activity. Implements DMARC, SPF, and DKIM to enhance security. Comprehensive threat intelligence. Provides detailed reports and analytics on cyber threats. Helps security teams proactively prevent future attacks. Benefits of automation with Netcraft. Faster response times, automated detection and takedown reduce the time cybercriminals have to exploit vulnerabilities. Scalability handles thousands of threats simultaneously without manual intervention. Cost efficiency reduces the need for large security teams dedicated to threat response. Compliance support helps organizations meet regulatory requirements for cybersecurity. How to monitor and take down fraudulent websites using Netcraft brand protection. Netcraft brand protection is a powerful tool for detecting, monitoring, and taking down fraudulent websites that impersonate legitimate brands. Here's how you can use it effectively. 1. Monitoring fraudulent websites. Netcraft provides real-time monitoring of threats such as phishing, brand impersonation, and fake domains. To monitor effectively. Automated scanning. Netcraft continuously scans the internet for websites impersonating your brand. Threat intelligence feeds. It aggregates data from various sources, including browser extensions, phishing feeds, and reporting mechanisms. Domain name monitoring. It tracks domain registrations similar to your brand to identify potential threats early. Website content analysis uses AI and machine learning to detect suspicious patterns, keywords, and design similarities with legitimate sites. To identifying fraudulent websites. Once a fraudulent website is detected, Netcraft provides detailed information, including URL of the suspicious website, hosting provider and IP address, voice information of the domain, screenshot of the website for verification, SSL certificate details to check for legitimacy. 3. Taking down fraudulent websites. Netcraft facilitates rapid takedown of phishing and fraudulent websites through the following steps. Automated takedown requests. Netcraft has partnerships with hosting providers and domain registrars, allowing them to request immediate takedowns. Reporting to ISPs and registrars. If Netcraft does not have direct agreements, it escalates cases to the respective ISP, domain registrar, or law enforcement agency. Blacklist submission. Fraudulent websites are submitted to blacklists such as Google Safe Browsing, Microsoft Smart Screen, and various anti-phishing databases. Legal actions and DMCA complaints. If necessary, legal actions or DMCA, Digital Millennium Copyright Act, complaints can be filed against infringing sites. Blocking via browser extensions and security tools. Netcraft's extensions and security products ensure that users are alerted when they try to access fraudulent sites. 4. Preventive measures. Brand name domain registration. Register domains similar to your brand name to prevent cyber-squatting. Security awareness training. Educate employees and customers about phishing threats. Two-factor authentication. Two-FA encourage customers to enable Two-FA to prevent credential theft. Regular brand security audits. Conduct audits to check for vulnerabilities that attackers may exploit. Leveraging Netcraft brand protection for social media threat detection. Netcraft brand protection offers a robust approach to social media threat detection by identifying and mitigating threats like phishing, impersonation, and brand abuse across various platforms. Here's how you can leverage Netcraft for social media threat detection. 1. Real-time threat monitoring. Netcraft continuously scans social media platforms for impersonation attempts, fraudulent accounts, and phishing attacks targeting your brand. Uses AI-driven detection to identify suspicious posts, fake profiles, and malicious links. 2. Automated takedown services. Once a threat is detected, Netcraft facilitates the removal of malicious content by working with social media platforms. Reduces the time attackers have to exploit brand impersonation. 3. Comprehensive threat intelligence. Provides detailed reports on attack trends, emerging threats, and high-risk platforms. Enables security teams to take proactive steps to mitigate future risks. 4. Domain and URL protection. Detects fake websites and URLs that mimic your brand, often shared via social media. Helps prevent phishing campaigns targeting customers and employees. 5. Dark web and deep web monitoring. Tracks discussions and leaks related to your brand on underground forums. identifies potential threats before they surface on mainstream platforms. 6. Integration with security operations. Netcraft's data feeds can be integrated into SIEMs, example Splunk, IBM QRadar, for real-time security operations. Enhances threat detection capabilities by correlating social media risks with broader cybersecurity threats. Implementation strategy. Set up brand monitoring rules to track keywords, domain variations, and impersonation attempts. Utilize automated takedowns to quickly remove harmful content. Integrate Netcraft with existing SOC tools to enhance overall security posture. Educate employees and customers on recognizing social media threats. How to secure your organization's digital identity with Netcraft brand protection. Securing your organization's digital identity with Netcraft brand protection involves proactive monitoring, takedown services, and continuous threat intelligence to combat phishing, brand impersonation, and cyber fraud. Here's a strategic approach. 1. Continuous monitoring and threat intelligence. Netcraft continuously scans the internet to detect phishing websites targeting your brand, impersonated domains and fraudulent subdomains, fake social media profiles impersonating your organization, rogue mobile apps using your brand identity, leaked credentials and sensitive data on the dark web. 2. Automated takedown of threats. Once threats are identified, Netcraft works with hosting providers, domain registrars, and social media platforms to take down phishing sites and impersonations quickly. Uses automation to accelerate removal of fraudulent content to minimize brand damage. 3. Brand protection across multiple channels. Netcraft secures your digital identity across web domains, including lookalike domains and typo squatting, email phishing campaigns targeting customers and employees, social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Mobile applications that misuse your brand identity. Dark web monitoring to detect leaked corporate credentials. 4. Domain protection and secure infrastructure. Proactive domain registration to prevent attackers from acquiring similar domains. DMARC, DKIM, and SPF implementation to prevent email spoofing. SSL TLS monitoring to ensure secure website encryption. 5. Employee and customer awareness. Anti-phishing training for employees to recognize threats. Real-time alerts for customers if phishing attempts are detected. Reporting mechanisms to collect suspicious links and emails. Why choose ProExcellency for Netcraft brand protection online training? ProExcellency is a training provider that offers courses on various subjects, including Netcraft's brand protection services. While specific information about ProExcellency's Netcraft brand protection online training is limited, here are some general factors to consider when evaluating such training programs. Expertise in brand protection. Netcraft is renowned for its comprehensive cybercrime detection and takedown services, protecting organizations from various online threats. Their platform offers 24/7 brand protection monitoring, rapid threat disruption, and extensive reporting capabilities. Netcraft.com. Understanding Netcraft's methodologies can be invaluable for organizations aiming to safeguard their brands. Course content. Effective training should cover key aspects of online brand protection, including identifying and mitigating phishing attacks, recognizing and addressing fake online shops, managing social media impersonations, handling survey scams and rogue mobile apps, implementing crisis management protocols. These topics are essential for maintaining brand integrity in the digital landscape. Netcraft.com. Trainer qualifications. Ensure that the instructors have relevant experience and credentials in online brand protection and cybersecurity. For instance, trainers with backgrounds in managing digital threats or affiliations with recognized cybersecurity organizations can provide valuable insights. Reputation and reviews. Researching reviews and testimonials about the training provider can offer insights into the quality and effectiveness of their programs. However, specific reviews for ProExcellency's Netcraft brand protection training were not found in the provided sources. Certification and recognition. Completion of the training should ideally provide a certification recognized within the industry, enhancing professional credibility. Practical application. The training should include practical exercises, case studies, or simulations to allow participants to apply learned concepts in real-world scenarios. Given the lack of specific information about ProExcellency's program, it's advisable to contact them directly for detailed course content, trainer qualifications, and any available testimonials. Additionally, comparing their offering with other reputable training providers can help ensure you select a program that best fits your needs. Thank you.